Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Farfetch application so you will be notified about new arrivals and promotions on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the Me button down below, which is the last option. And after that, in the My Settings section, click on Communication Preferences. Then here you can see the notifications part of the screen, including order updates. So tap on this button if you want to turn on this function. Then you need to allow Farfetch to send you notifications. So click on Allow. You can also get notifications about promotions and new arrivals, and stock alerts, meaning that you will get stock updates on your favorite items. So here you can also turn on the email newsletter, stock alert, and text messages updates functions, meaning that you will get email by or get a newsletter by email about sale access and new arrivals, and about promotions, sale alerts, and wishlist updates via message. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.